morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential roller, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Umfano Mpuv. It's no longer type beside the one in the What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Umfano Mpuv. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Kidding. Psych! It's your boy Savage the Suspect again. With another banger. Guys, it's been a minute now, and since Village and all that. And today it's a little twist. I'm doing something crazy new. Abafana bebangikunda last time, man. Helene Mesa straight, man. La ngathi yandisa la. Phela uma iba ngathi ikhanda lami lime kanje ukuthi ibalance. Malime kanje iyandisa la. So yeah, on today's video I have
Lesedi,
and I have
Rato,
Rato, Lesedi, Kakama, Lesedi, Lerato. So today, guys, we'll be playing. For those who don't know, these two ladies here, they are both my sisters. I'm kidding. Both of them, they're my girlfriends. For those who don't know, if you do know, you know. If you don't know, you can go to TikTok and look at my account, Umvanumpo for one. Then you will see what's going on. So today we'll be playing Who Knows Me Better. Who do you think you know me better?
Sobona phambili.
Okay, out of 10, how well do you think you know me?
4.
Okay, 5, 4. Okay, right. So now it's time to prove it. The only way to know who knows me better is it's only one way. And I'm gonna ask a question, one will raise a question. If like I ask a question, one will raise a hand. No, okay. I'll ask a question. Then I'll ask both of you. Simple question. What's my favorite color?
Blue. Blue.
Okay, right. What's my favorite color?
Black.
Okay, you both right. But
It's a
the first
color,
one,
it's not a color.
hey, you both right, ne? But like my first color for the character is blue, so it's a point to you. It's okay. Question number 2. What's my dream car?
Oh, son.
They say it's sun.
Okay, God.
It's boy.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, what is boy?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know. Is it like you again?
It's you again.
Okay.
Point. It's okay. Question number 3. What do I love doing most between music and content?
Content. 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 Music.
It is content so far. So it's a point. It's a point to both. And reason why it's content so far because of I haven't been consistent with music. Mara, if I was consistent with music, network music. Because of listen, reason why I'm saying network music. I've been doing music since I was 15. Content no. So network music. So I haven't been consistent. Same way as I've been the content. Question number 3, ne? 4. What's my favorite food?
Hamas.
Let's say 2. Guys, I want that they don't know my favorite food. Any
What's my favorite food? What's my favorite
Nyama
food?
nhloko. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, right, guys. My favorite food is been in Inhliziyo nephuthu. That's my favorite food. And it's guess I think twice or 3 times. Coffee. Really coffee like I. Then separate. Yeah, people lose count. Okay, right. What's my favorite chocolate?
Mint. Chocolate mint.
Point. Okay, right. Moving on, not my favorite drink, as in soft drink.
Soft drinks are pretty.
When it comes to alcohol,
Hennessy. Corona.
the first one is Corona. I don't know Hennessy every day. Oh, wow. See.
And oh my god, don't have to time.
No, apart from really two, who's far? Thank you. Nana Hennessy every week. Biliato. You never. What's my favorite shoe brand? Actually, what's my favorite shoe in a shoe?
C. Air Force, man. Air Force One.
Air Force. Are you sure? Yes. It's Air Force. Next question is what's my favorite team?
Your favorite tea.
Team. The side.
Yeah, Polo.
Yeah.
I see Sundowns. I'm not sure. Kaiser Chiefs. I get it.
Kaiser Chiefs.
Sundowns.
Sundowns. Kaiser Chiefs.
I will know much. I will not.
No, like
No, but
no winning.
No, the Sundowns.
Yes, Sundowns na vele since. Okay, right. Moving on. What's the favorite thing that I like, but low key? Okay, what's the favorite thing that I like on a high key, but at the same time I'm trying to keep low key? I like it high key, it's a thing. I like it high key, but at the same time I'm trying to keep it low key. But I'm failing to do that. What is it?
Igqi. Ayikeng. Iyo.
Ite, ilento. Wrong. Listen. Mo, listen. It's a gun. No, listen. What question again? Ultra. I like it, but then I'm trying to keep it low key. It's a gun. Reason why I like it, I like it on a high score, but then I'm trying to keep it low key, but I'm failing. That's what I said. I'm failing, which is it's a gun. Then what I like, and I'm not failing to keep it low key. It's a what? Obvious. What's the favorite? No. Which Which type of music do I like? Currently.
Currently, maskandi.
Angisho kanje ngoba ngigqoke le skip akunankinga. Wasile. Okay, maskandi, correct. Who's my woman crush?
Nalimo. Landlunkulu. Yes, Landlunkulu.
Currently.
Ibang driver ni taxi. Basibakhulu.
Para currently Landlunkulu. Masebakhulu.
Mara it's all currently
Mara
number one crush out.
Yeah, but I'm not like if you would answer the question, it's your current like here.
You didn't say current.
Okay, right. If I wanna if get your currently go questioning the first time, it don't say some more it's a replay. Moving on. Out of 10, how would you rate my game in bed? Yeah, that's psych. Okay, out of 10, how would you rate my looks?
10 out of 10. 10. 10 out of 10.
Leave drugs, guys. I still, guys, ningamangali mangithi leave drugs. I always tell them one day I'm behind the scenes was born. Moving on. I think I have two more questions, ne? These ones they might not be like who's my best friend?
Best friend.
Yes.
Do you even have a best friend?
Yes.
Your best friend.
My best friend. Like who's my best friend? You guys know
I
you guys know
see,
my
I
you
see.
guys know my friends again. Who's my best friend?
Ke mang o tlatseng go gakana le ena?
Come on.
Ke mang o tlatseng go gakana le ena le bua?
Come on.
I forgot his name.
Okay.
I said him. It's not your mom.
My mom.
Hello, Hi. Bua gena ke botsa now.
1 point to you. Get him. Short base. Temp.
Ke ena ke o tlatseng go gakana le ena. Ke ena. Ka nna ke le teng.
Oh, it's all we do.
It's
It's okay. What's your favorite food? Basically, kuni nama e ya kgomo e
I
hlabuweng so.
forgot the name. But you know who I'm
Okay,
talking
okay.
about.
Re ska lwanang he ka o fa point le wena he. It's also a point to you. Batho ba lwana di-point ka nkane. Moving on. Okay, what's my shoe size?
6. 6.
Le sure?
5, 6, no? 6.
5, 6.
6.
6. What am I good at but don't wanna show?
So, what you're good at but don't wanna show?
Yeah.
I don't know, give it a crank, but what this thing you usually do? I don't know, give it a I don't know, give it a make it much of the
Okay, both of you are wrong.
Okay.
Fighting. I'm very good at fighting. I just don't want to show. I don't like showing it. I don't like fighting.
Come on, fighting.
Yes, fighting. I'm
Man, you can make it
yes, ikhulumi lezi lapho and angiyithandi.
Maka.
I do it for money. Angiyithandi. Moving on, last and final question.
What's wrong?
Was the middle name of my first child?
Because. Because.
Because
Because.
sure.
Mm.
Sure.
Mm.
You sure? Correct. This is a video from me asking them questions. Hopefully, if you guys like it, on the following video, kule video elandelayo ngibeka kanjalo ngoba nazi abanye benanifunda but asikho lapho. Ngiyadlala. Yeah, on the following video, guys, make sure that you do tell me ukuthi nifuna ukubona ini, and I'll do another Q&A on how did we end up like this. If you want me to do a video after this one, ukuthi how did we end up as a trio, just comment. As a trio, you'll comment down below. So from us, thank you for watching and subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and
Can I-
share.
One last request. Can I get a kiss for the thumbnail? Yes, sir.